Ancient Dudley, 428 million years ago. A strange and wondrous place. South of the equator, it was home to warm seas and coral reefs and curious creatures that swam the deep. It's in this tropical climate that its famous limestone was formed. Limestone, you may know, is made of the skeletons and shells of sea creatures, compressed over time and turned into stone. And it's in this stone that Dudley's story is told. Visit its local quarries and mines at Wren's Nest and trace the ripples made by those ancient waters and the skeletons of the creatures who roam the deep, fossilized in limestone. Time travel to medieval Dudley, and it's another world entirely. Its people craved iron for stronger tools. So fire spread across the landscape as they heated ironstone to make a crude iron. And they burnt and burnt over the centuries, first with charcoal and then with coal, steadily producing the primitive iron. Until the Industrial Revolution, when a magic ingredient would send Dudley into overdrive. The limestone of its tropical past was in fact the missing element. It could be used to make a purer iron, far more efficiently. So they dug and dug, taking up to 90,000 tons of limestone a year from Wren's Nest alone. And they dug further still, digging a 2-mile canal tunnel to send materials to Birmingham and beyond. The Black Country burned and hammered at such a pace it filled the sky with black smoke, making anything from anvils to train rails. Black by day, red by night, they used to say. By the 20th century, Dudley gained a strange honour, the forging of the anchor of the Titanic. But as quickly as they started, the fires of industry flickered out. Dudley's quarries, coal mines and steelworks creaked to a halt. Wren's Nest is quieter these days, but its story is far from told. A national nature reserve, protected by Natural England, it's home to 700 fossil species, many of which can be found nowhere else on Earth. In fact, it's one of the key geological locations in the world and a record of Dudley's 428 million year history. A history written in stone.